In today's video, I'll show you how to set up advanced alerts for your TikTok live stream. These can be follower, gift, subscriber, and even like alerts. We'll be using TikFinity as it has more features than the TikTok Live Studio ones, and you can also use it with OBS. I've been using this program for a very long time now and made countless videos on it, so if you haven't already, check those out as well. So what you want to do is click down in the description below. There will be a link that opens up this website. What you can do is either use it as a web version, but then you have to have a site open up every single time you stream, or simply just download the program that they have over here. So you click download here, you install it, and I'll show you how to set it up inside TikFinity. All right, so now that we have the program installed and opened up, you wanna go to the start page and it will say connect your TikTok live account right over here. So you want to connect it, that way it has all the permissions and obviously it can sync with your followers, gifts, and all the other things. So connected, it's all safe. I've been using it for a very long time and countless of other people have as well. Once you've done that, you will see your username in the top right. It will say your username. It was gonna say disconnected. Well, that just means you're not live. Once you go live, it will connect automatically and it will work just as good. If you want to have these alerts work every time you stream, all you have to do is open up the program. So the program just needs to run in the background. That's it. You don't need to set this up every single time. So now we want to go into the actions over here and you're gonna see the actions and events. It looks a bit complicated at the beginning, but it's really not. It's really simple. So what we need to do is go to the actions and then create a new action. Each action is going to be a different thing. So we want to have an action for the follow, for a subscribe, for a gift, or I don't know, for a like, whatever you really want to set up. I've made all of these already. So what you need to do is click on create new action. I'm just gonna click on edit. So I'll show you what I did. I named this one follow. So each time somebody follows, it's going to play the audio and there's a sound library that you can use with the preset sounds. You can also use your own file by clicking the select file and just putting your own, I don't know, MP3 or whatever. And also I have it, so it shows the alert, user plus text, and it says thanks for following right over here. Again, you can customize it however you like. There's a bunch of different things like showing animation, showing pictures, whatever you want, it's all over here. I'm not gonna go through all of it. I'm just gonna show you what I'm using right here. And that's basically it. You scroll down, you can put it, for how long you want it to display, 4 seconds, that's fine. Media, sound, volume, everything else, keep it as is. Click on save. Ignore all of this. I'm gonna show you how to make it work later on. So do it for each one, follow, subscribe, gift. You can do it for the likes. Add it all into the actions, and then you wanna go down to the events, and you want to link that action to that specific event. So basically, if somebody follows, it's going to trigger the follow event and actually properly display it. So again, click create new event. I'm just gonna edit my follow one so it shows you how this one works. So who's gonna able to trigger the event? Everyone, or you can choose it for some specific people if you want. By what will the event be triggered? By a follow, because it's a follow event. For a subscribe, you're gonna choose subscribe. For likes, you're gonna choose likes, etc., etc. And then trigger all of these actions, and you wanna trigger that action that you named follow right there. So you just simply click follow, and then keep everything else as is, click save, and it will be synced to that action. So you can see right here, trigger follow triggers the action follow, which means that it works just as fine. And now we wanna scroll down over here to overlay screen settings. Because everything was synced to the screen 1, we simply want to click on this link right here, click once. It's going to say that it copied it to the clipboard. And now what we need to do is just paste it either in TikTok Live Studio or into OBS as a browser source, and it will show up right there every time somebody follows, subscribes, gifts, whatever. So let's do that. If you want to have it set up in your OBS, all you want to do is obviously open up your OBS, go into the sources, right click, add source, and choose a browser source right here. Click on that, name it, for example, alerts, I don't know, TikTok alerts or whatever you want, click OK, and just simply paste in that URL that you copied. You can change the width and height to your, screen resolution. I'm just gonna keep it default, click OK. And now you can place it whatever you want. And if I go back to TikFinity and I click on test, it's going to actually simulate that follow right there. So you just want to scroll down, you click on simulate follow, you want to go back and it's going to show that test right here, which means that it actually works just as fine. If you want to have it set up for your TikTok Live Studio, all you have to do is open it up, go into the sources, click on the add source button over here. You want to add a link source, click on add, and just simply paste in that link that you copied from TikFinity. Change nothing, keep it all as is, click add source, and it will add it right over here. You can resize it to whatever you want. And now if you want to test it out and make sure that it actually works, you want to go back to TikFinity, you scroll down to the event simulator, you can click on simulate follow, and it's going to show it right here. It's a bit small, but if I size it up, you can see that it actually works just as fine. And that's how you make it work for TikTok Live Studio. I hope this video helped you. You can customize these alerts however you want, make it stand out so your streams look more professional. Anyway, if you guys did like the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.